Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Yum Brands' first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Yum Brands has just released their Q1 2025 results. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Thank you. Yum Brands, known for its iconic brands like KFC, Taco Bell, and Pizza Hut, operates nearly 61,000 restaurants worldwide. In this quarter, they reported a GAAP EPS of 90 cents and an adjusted EPS of $1.30, which is a 13% increase from last year. The company has shown strong performance, with Taco Bell's U.S. same-store sales growing by 9% and KFC international unit growth at 7%.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's delve into the financials. Yum Brands reported total revenues of $1.787 billion, marking a 12% increase. John, how did this translate into their profitability metrics?
Yum Brands achieved an operating profit of $548 million, a 5% increase from the previous year. Their net income, however, saw a decline to $253 million, down 19% year over year. Despite this, the adjusted EPS of 130 cents exceeded the analysts' forecast of $1.29, based on a survey of 10 analysts, showcasing their ability to manage costs effectively and drive profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Yum Brands has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their core operating profit growth and digital sales performance?
Absolutely. The company reported an 8% growth in core operating profit, highlighting their operational efficiency. Digital sales approached $9 billion, with a digital mix of approximately 55%, indicating a strong shift towards digital channels. Additionally, they achieved a 3% unit growth, opening 751 new units this quarter. CEO David Gibbs also announced his retirement in early 2026, which marks a significant transition for the company.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. Yum Brands has made some strategic announcements recently. Can you tell us more about their growth plans and collaborations?
Yum Brands is aggressively pursuing growth with Taco Bell's RING, the Bell Plan, which sets bold targets through 2030. They also announced a collaboration with NVIDIA to integrate AI technologies across their restaurants globally. This partnership aims to enhance operational efficiencies and customer experience. Moreover, Taco Bell plans to introduce over 30 new products by 2025, and KFC International reported a 7% unit growth, reflecting their robust expansion strategy.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive aspects, Yum Brands faces some challenges. What are the key risks and how might they impact the company's future performance?
One significant challenge is the foreign currency impact, which unfavorably affected their divisional operating profit by $11 million. Pizza Hut continues to struggle, with a 20% decline in operating profit, primarily due to expenses related to franchise transitions and technology spending. Additionally, the company reported a 19% decline in net income and carries a high debt load of $11.3 billion, which could pose risks if not managed carefully.
Key takeaways. In summary, Yum Brands has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025 with impressive growth in core operating profit and digital sales. However, challenges like foreign currency impacts and Pizza Hut struggles remain. John, any final thoughts on Yum Brands' investment prospects?
Yum Brands' strategic initiatives and digital transformation position them well for long-term growth. While there are challenges, their strong brand portfolio and global presence offer resilience. Investors should keep an eye on their debt levels and the transition in leadership. Overall, Yum Brands remains a compelling investment with a balanced risk-reward profile.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Yum Brand's performance in the comments below.